Hey guys, Noah here.
And Ian.
Yep, so today we're going to be playing pool.
Alright.
So let me get my stick here. Now let's chalk it up.
Oh wait, I haven't done mine yet.
Yeah, you want to chalk this up real good. Here you go.
Wait, I haven't done... I think that should be...
Ah! What happened?
Nothing, just dropped it.
Oh, okay. Oh, here.
Go first.
You want to break?
No, you can go first.
Huh, nice break there.
Alright.
Alright.
Your turn.
Okay. Hit it real hard. Alright.
Now it's your turn.
But hey, I got one in the pockets. Let's see which one I got. Number 2.
See?
Alright, so I get to go again. So now I'm solids. You were stripes last time. Yep, so. Oh, the 14.
Almost. Your turn.
1.
Nope.
You got...
So you
that
won.
means I get to go.
No!
You pocketed the cue ball. So.
Sorry.
Oh, it's fine. It's
Now,
fine. Don't worry.
it's your turn.
Nope.
Let me try again. No!
No!
Oh!
Oh, I keep doing it. Actually, that's the second time that's happened this
Yep,
round.
second time that's happened, y'all. Hey, I got it in.
Great job.
Now it's time for me to go again. Oh! Pocketed the cue ball.
That means I get to go.
There.
Your turn.
Like Baldy.
No! No! No!
Oh!
We've been doing that a lot when we've been playing this round.
I'm editing.
That means I
Oh,
get
here
to
you
go.
go, yeah.
Wait. Your turn.
There we go, get some of the balls out there. Good job, you get to go
Now
again.
I get to go again. I have no idea what that means.
It's a random thing I said.
And now it's your turn.
No. Cue ball almost hit it. Rebound at a predictable angle.
Okay, wait. Am I stripes?
Yes, you are stripes.
Okay.
And go.
Your turn.
Alright. My turn, alright.
See?
And go away, you pirate.
No.
No, my turn. Get going. A red one. Let me try again. Yeah, you know you don't move the ball.
Okay. Thanks for the heads up.
You're welcome.
Your turn.
Number 7. No! You go in.
Almost.
winning yet, but I'll find out. Hey, you got it in.
Now I get to go in.
Yep. Remember, go for the solids.
Wait, the stripes.
The stripes. Sorry, I should have done. Hey, good job. Now you get to go again. Ah,
Now it's your turn.
that's up. See if I can do this.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yep.
Your turn.
My turn. Werner. These things have a rubber profile. These things have a rubber thing on it right here. That's pretty unique.
Your turn. I didn't get one in.
Hey,
good job.
Which one did I get in?
The
The number 7 ball. And so let's put that back in there. Yeah, right there. Alright, so
now you
now
get
it's
to go
time
again.
to go for the number 5 ball.
Nope.
We want to go around the 8 ball. I think that's where we're going. 8-13. You go, Ian. Go, 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 go.
Your turn. Because I didn't get one in.
Ah! Here, I got this. Oh my god, no. Hey, I got that.
That was an easy shot.
Ah!
But you got the cue ball in. So I guess that means I go, or
Might not go. Just try. Hey, but I got it, and now I get to go again. Ah! Bad throw, bad
that
throw.
wasn't.
Bad throw, everybody. Bad throw.
Go again. Your turn.
Yes. Ah! Pocket into the key body.
Alright.
These pockets, this pocket's about to be full.
Yeah,
So here you go. You place it.
yeah, that's an easy shot.
Yeah, it should be.
And I missed it.
Nope. Nope. Alright.
Now it's my turn.
Alright.
Hey!
Good job. Good job.
And now I get to go again.
He gets to go again. Let's see what he can do. Hey! you're
Oh
going to one
my
of
god,
balls.
I've got one.
Now it's my go.
Sorry, I got
No,
one.
that's fine. It happens. Get on! Get on! Oh, never mind. That was number 9.
Now I get to go again.
Alright.
Your turn.
Yeah, let the ball stop. You see how I let the ball stop? That's what we want to do. Hey, good job. Now it's time to go for the 8 ball.
My turn. Your turn. Alright.
like the mountain penguin would say, alright. He'd be like, Werner. Yes! Alright, now the game is over. So please comment, subscribe for more.